getting better. Oh, I actually don't have a good view of them from here.
Buongiorno, spaghetti, fettuccine, y'all have to excuse Tony, folks. The truth is, he was born in Nebraska. It's in the blood, in the mind, in the heart.
But when he sings just plain American.
What can I say? Together, folks, we are Rocky and the Railroad Ramblers. And here comes Mockingbird Hill.
Oh, sweet.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses from my windowsill, and my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops of Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Really groovy.
Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweety-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome at the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Sure didn't sound like Italian birds.
Hey, when you finish riding all these